In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on Swissquote. So currently, I'm on my demo account here on their CFXD platform over here for trading, and I'm going to show you how to actually trade. It's actually very simple. So actually, there's two ways to do it, and the first one is to just click on the trade button up top over here. It's going to pop up the new order. You can search for whatever you want to buy. So for example, if we do Euro USD here, then you can set how much you would like to buy or sell, select buy or sell order, set your take profit stop losses, trailing stops. You could also go ahead and set the advanced order, etc., and then just place your order. So that's the first way. But the second one is a bit more analytical, and the first thing you can do is go to advanced filters over here and actually find different things. So here you could go to crypto, stocks, commodities, whatever. Let's say I want to go to commodities over here and I want to open up XAU USD on my chart here, which is basically gold. As you can see, I can do some charting analysis here because this is like you can see over here, powered by TradingView. So we have all the different tools, and you can do your analysis over here, your technical analysis, see whenever you want to buy and whenever not. And of course, whenever you decide to buy, you can just click on this buy button or the sell button here on your chart. It's going to pop up the exact same window where you can again go ahead and type in all your wishes and however you want your order to look like, and then you can just go ahead and click on place buy order or place sell order, and this is going to essentially buy or sell, and it's going to go down here at the very bottom as one of your current positions. So that's how to trade on Swissquote. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.